Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to fix your on-time delivery rate on Amazon. So you may have went to your account health page and realized that your on-time delivery rate looks something like this, where the target is over 90% and now you fell below that. You're at 25%. So I sell on Amazon. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to fix this issue in just a few minutes. So here, you can see that the problem is your on-time delivery rate is messed up. So what can you actually do about this? So there's a few reasons why this can happen. I want to get the obvious one out of the way. So if you're shipping out orders late or canceling orders, obviously your on-time delivery rate is going to have a bad percentage here. So make sure you're shipping out your orders on time and that you're not waiting forever to ship out your orders. Those are two main things really want to highlight, because everything else I'm saying definitely matters, but you have to make sure you have the basics down first. So shipping out your items right away when the order comes in and getting them out same day is essential. But there are other reasons why your on-time delivery rate might be off. So the main thing that I've noticed is because when you ship out an order and then the mail carrier takes it, that order is not scanned, and that leads to your on-time delivery rate suffering. So what can you actually do? So you got to make sure that your products are initially scanned the day that you ship them out. So how do you do that? So there's a few different ways to do it. You can take it to, say, the post office, UPS, or FedEx yourself, and then have the packages scanned by the helpful employees there. But that is very time consuming, and I found a way to cut down the time. So all you do is you essentially use this thing called a scan sheet. And what a scan sheet is you print it out, and then your mail carrier can come to your door through scheduling pickups daily on the USPS website, FedEx website, or UPS website, whichever carrier you're using to ship out your packages. They can come to your house, pick up your packages, and if you provide what's called a scan sheet, they can just scan one sheet and have all of your packages scanned same day, so then your on-time delivery rate isn't suffering. I have a separate video on how to create a scan sheet, but the solutions that I came up with, just going down here, because my on-time delivery rate looked pretty much like this before, and now I turned it into this, so 94%. And I know a lot of people are struggling with this right now. And if you guys in the comments have been able to fix this issue too, definitely let other people know to help them out. But essentially, these are the main points that I do to have really good on-time delivery rate. So it's ship out your orders on time. Super basic. You'd be surprised. Increase the handling time. So if you're shipping out an order, maybe you're doing 0-day handling, maybe switch it to 1-day handling to give you an extra day buffer in between there, or maybe switch it to 2 days. So you have a little bit more of a buffer to get your products out to your customers. And even if the mail carrier, doesn't scan your item, it could get there on time. So that's two different things that you guys can do today to get a better on-time delivery rate. A few other things that you can do is make sure your packages are scanned the same day. This is the main thing that helped me fix the issue. Provide a scan sheet, and I'll have a link to that video down in the description below if you guys want to watch that on how to get a scan sheet. And the last one, schedule pickups every day. I know if you have a package here and there, you might not want to go to the post office or go to the UPS store. But if you schedule a pickup online, they can come pick up your packages, and it just makes it a lot easier. If you package something that day, you can get the mail carrier to come pick it up same day and have it out and get delivered to your customer right away. So if you guys could comment on-time delivery rate for the algorithm, it really helps other people find this video. So really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.